Hey y'all, so I just did a clip-in install and I'm using Goo Goo Hair. This hair is so thick and shiny and it's just beautiful. So these are clip-ins. I got them in the color jet black. If you want to grab these, they're on Amazon. So I got 2 packs of hair. I got a 16-inch, which was 120 grams. It came with 7 pieces of hair. And then I got an 18-inch, which was 150 grams. And it came with 9 pieces. This is the hair straight out of the pack, and then this is the hair the next day after I've washed and deep conditioned it. It did have a little smell. It kind of smelled like hair dye, so I wanted to wash it. You should always wash your hair anyway, but I'm gonna go ahead and just start installing these clips. You see what my breakdown is looking like. My goal was to leave out as little hair as possible and still have the appearance of a sew-in, but this is so easy to install. You just open up the clip, stick it in your braid, and then close the clip. It is so easy. And I wish I had a better way of showing you guys. Maybe when I get to the front of my head, it'll be a little bit easier for you to see if you've never done a clip-in install, but this is what it looks like, and it lays super flat. So you just stick the clip into your hair, clamp it down, and that's it. I also opted for this braid pattern because it meant less tugging on my root. If you want a fuller look or you're not great at braiding, you can also still keep your hair out and just add the clips in between your hair. I forgot to mention, when I was putting in these clips, I was trying to angle the very front of the clip kind of going upwards, so if the wind blows, my hair will cover, but also you won't be able to see where my clips are. And I did end up using every single piece of hair that I bought. So if you want a full look, make sure you order 2 packs of hair and use everything you got. I already added my heat protectant to my hair, but I'm gonna add some of this Cheese Silk Infusion Serum just to get my hair really silky, because I've started flat ironing my hair on a really low heat. So I need all the help I can get. But I used the Amika heat protectant, and I also used the Tresemme heat protectant, and I did spray the entire head of hair down, so my hair and the clip-ins were sprayed with heat protectant. And then I just went in with my Care wax stick on the edges of my hair to get them to lay a little bit more flat. And as you can see, I'm just using the comb and chase method with my Tymo Airflow straightener, and it's coming out pretty well. Other thing I forgot to mention about this hair is it is real human hair, and it's the Remy hair extensions. So if you're looking on Amazon, you can also type that in, Remy hair, if that's what you prefer. I think the texture matches my hair a lot better than if I got like silky straight. If you're interested in this hair, I will link it in the description box. And I think my hair blended really well with these clip-ins. The color match was spot on, and then the texture was pretty good too. I did go ahead and I cut a few layers in the hair. I really wanted to frame the front of the face a little bit more, so I cut like right under my natural hair. I didn't cut too much off, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some curls to the hair, and it holds a curl really good. I've had the hair in for 3 days now. This is me from the future, of course, but I've had the hair in for 3 days and the curls are still there. They're wavy, but I just put my bonnet on at night. I don't even wrap the hair or put it up or anything. I just put the bonnet on, and when I wake up, I still have some really pretty waves in my hair. But this is what it looks like when you comb it out. It's so pretty. The curls hold really well, and I was so excited. I didn't have to like douse my hair with hairspray or anything. But look at the shine and the movement, and this hair is really thick. So that's what I like about it the most, is I was able to braid up most of my hair and just leave a little bit out, and it still looks like I have a sew-in or a full head of hair. This is what the 18-inch looks like on me, and I am 5'10" for reference. But yeah, I love it. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.